For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. We all know that Salman Khan has already begun training for his upcoming dance-based film where he will be sharing screen space with his kick co-star Jacqueline Fernandez. The film will be helmed by ace choreographer Remo D'Souza. As the project was untitled for quite some time, the grapevine went overboard guessing. Some even speculated that it would be called Dancing Dad. And finally, the makers have revealed that the film would be titled Go Daddy. This is the first time that Salman Khan has agreed to be a part of a dance-based film, and he is already training in various dance forms. After wrapping up the shooting for his upcoming espionage thriller Tiger Zinda Hai, Salman will plunge head-on into the shooting for Go Daddy. The film will have Salman play the role of a widower with a 9-year-old daughter who hopes to see her dad win a dance contest. Jacqueline essays the role of a dance instructor. Slated to release on Eid 2018, we hope that the film manages to live up the expectations of fans and dance lovers. What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Salman Khan had a rocking time at the IFA 2017 and his entertaining act was indeed memorable. The Sultan also wished his former lady love Katrina Kaif on her birthday and planned a special bash for her in New York. But now it's back to work for the two former flames, and the two are already in Morocco shooting for their upcoming film Tiger Zinda Hai. The Morocco schedule has some high-octane action sequences and a chase scene involving trained stallions from Hollywood. Donning a jacket and a muffler for his new look, Salman seemed to exude an aura of rugged manliness as he posed along with his fans who dropped in at the sets to pay a visit to their dear Sultan. So what do you think of this hot picture of Salman Khan? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Recently, the shocking news of Kareena Kapoor Khan and Meera Rajput getting into a catfight shocked us all. But wait a minute. The bone of contention here is not Shahid Kapoor but their kids Misha and Taimur. These star kids are likely to create bad blood between their mommies. Apparently, Meera's daughter Misha turns 1 in August while Kareena's son Taimur turns a year old in December. Both the proud mommies are busy planning their first birthday. But what is this? The two ended up liking the same birthday theme for their kids. Yes, this leaves British preschool animated TV series Peppa Pig in a soup as to whom to comply. Well, both the moms are unwilling to budge and change the theme, and so we will have to wait and watch who wins this ultimate battle. Any guesses? Do let us know. Having seen the stupendous chemistry between Ranbir Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai in Karan Johar's Ye Dil Hai Mushkil, filmmakers are once more hopeful of pairing Ash with a younger actor. One such filmmaker is Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, who wishes to pair the former beauty queen with a young actor for his upcoming film Funny Khan. Starring Anil Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai, the hunt for the third actor is on, and it seems that there is a tough competition between Rajkumar Rao and Vicky Kaushal. Though Anil and Ash will not be romantically involved in the film, it will still be a comeback for the two after a long gap of 17 years, and it will be great to see how the two have evolved as actors. The shooting for the film will commence in August and will have the diva in a complete glamorous avatar. Having seen her fashion statement at the Cannes, we can't help but be excited to see her fare in Funny Khan. So while we wait for the name of the third artist to be revealed, do let us know what do you think about this.
Ranbir Kapoor will soon be seen stepping into the role of Sanjay Dutt for his upcoming biopic. While a lot of hype was created around this film, its release has been postponed to March 2018. This move was taken to avoid a box office clash with Salman Khan's Tiger Zinda Hai. Well, understandably, no one dares to cross the path of the Bhaijan of Bollywood. Well, sadly, filmmaker Rajkumar Irani will have to do just that. How? Having averted a Christmas clash with Salman Khan's film Tiger Zinda Hai, the makers ended up clashing with the Bhai for Remo D'Souza's dance-based film. Yes, Salman's Dancing Dad film is slated to release on Eid 2018, and now the makers of Sanjay Dutt's biopic are once more in a soup. While Salman's 2017 Eid release, Tube Light, didn't fare well at the box office, the makers of Sanjay Dutt's biopic are quite optimistic about their project. Well, we wonder what will be in the store for the two films if they do clash. Any guesses? It's double delight when Shah Rukh and Salman come together, be it for a special episode for Bigg Boss or for a cameo role. We all loved SRK's cameo in Salman Khan's Tube Light, and though the film earned average reviews, the scenes with the two Khans were epic. No wonder Salman Khan returned the favor by shooting a special cameo long for SRK's dwarf film by Anand L. Rai. While the role was initially offered to Salman Khan, he refused, citing dates issues, but when Shah Rukh approached, he was kind enough to agree to a cameo. Oh, now isn't this sweet? Though Salman's look in the film is kept a well-guarded secret, we are sure that we will be in for a surprise. But in the meanwhile, do share your thoughts on this cameo number and stay tuned for more updates on this hot scoop.
The IFA 2017 was held in New York amidst great fanfare, and my, this two-day event did steal the thunder. Amongst various performances, there was one which will always remain etched in our minds. What was it? Well, it was the sight of the Bhaijan of Bollywood Salman Khan joining his good friend Kamal Khan to croon the Main Hoon Hero Tera. Well, it was the sight of the Bhaijan of Bollywood Salman Khan. It was pure magic when Salman sang the song in his melodious voice. Dressed impeccably in a black blazer, Salman did make sure that the world knew him for what he was, the true Sultan. On the work front, Salman will be seen sharing screen space with Katrina Kaif in his upcoming spy thriller Tiger Zinda Hai, which is slated to release in December this year. And while we wait for the action to unfold, don't forget to drop in your comments about Salman Khan singing Main Hoon Hero Tera. Guess which B-Town couple grabbed the eyeballs? Yes, it is chocolate boy Shahid Kapoor and his wife Meera Rajput, who looked absolutely adorable as they walked the green carpet hand in hand. Looking at the way Shahid handles Meera, we can be sure that he is the best hubby ever. But wait a minute, wifey Meera doesn't seem to think so. Yes, Shahid himself revealed that Meera feels he is a boring husband as he has been busy working for the last couple of days while in New York, leaving Meera alone to explore New York along with Misha. The price to pay for being a celeb. But we are sure that Shahid will more than make it up to her post-IFA 2017, and when it does happen, we will be glad to see pictures of this perfect family holiday. So while we wait for this to happen, don't forget to drop in your comments about Shahid and Meera's cute PDA, and stay tuned for more updates from the IFA 2017. Salman Khan indeed is a busy man. Having completed the IFA 2017, Salman has begun training for the action sequences for Tiger Zinda Hai. The sequence in Morocco has some exciting chase scenes which involves horses. These horses are no ordinary stallions. Instead, they are trained horses who were seen in Hollywood films like Troy, The Mummy and War Horse. The action sequences will be performed under the supervision of Hollywood action director Tom Struthers, and we are sure that he will indeed do a great job. Filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar has upped the excitement quotient by sharing a video of Tiger Salman riding a horse, and my, he does look like a professional already. His swag and style will make us want to kill, isn't it? So while we enjoy the clip of Salman riding a horse, don't forget to share your comments.
Salman Khan's upcoming espionage thriller Tiger Zinda Hai is slated to hit the big screens in December, and while the film is heading towards a wrap, we get to see glimpses of some really high-octane action. Recently, filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar shared a glimpse of an action sequence on Twitter. My. The teaser indeed left us with goosebumps. The makers have roped in Hollywood action director Tom Struthers, who will closely monitor and direct each action sequence, and with such a talented artist on board, we can indeed expect some nail-biting action, which will leave us glued to our seats. Don't you think so? In the meanwhile, take a look at the action teaser shared on Twitter and let us know if it excited you. It was double dhamal at the IFA 2017 ceremony when Varun Dhawan shared the stage with Salman Khan. The two grooved to the hit number Tan Tana Tan Tan from Salman Khan's cult film Judwa. The two stole the show with their perfectly coordinated steps and energetic performance. The song is also a part of the film's sequel, Judwa 2, where Varun Dhawan will be playing the main lead. Just like the original, the sequel too is directed by David Dhawan, and we are sure that, like always, this time too his comic timings click with the audience. Starring Varun Dhawan, Taapsee Pannu and Jacqueline Fernandez, the film is slated to release on 29th of September. The film will also have a cameo by Salman Khan, and going by this rocking IFA 2017 performance, we can indeed expect a blast. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
The green carpet of IFA 2017 has witnessed stars like Alia Bhatt, Varun Dhawan and others at their stylish. But the highlight of this coveted event held at New York was Salman Khan and his alleged lady love, Ulya Vantur. Yes, Salman stole the show in his black and blue suited attire, while Ulya seemed to be a style icon in a black and golden jumpsuit. Salman and Ulya's love story is the talk of the town, and Ulya is already a welcome member in the Khan family. So when this picture of the cute couple at the IFA green carpet surfaced, we simply couldn't help marveling at how perfect and classy the two seem together, don't they? Salman and his tigress Katrina Kaif seemed absolutely inseparable at the press conference for the IFA 2017. Yes, here we have 5 clicks to prove this. Salman and Katrina were completely into each other, blissfully ignorant of the others around them. The two were seen continuously standing with each other. Here we see how Kaif seems to be intently seeking guidance from Salman. Hey, what's this? Salman and Katrina have that smitten look as they smile at each other. Wow. Ever since the two have started shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai, they seem to be bonding really well, and Kat also holds Salman in quite high regards. And now this open PDA has left us enthralled. But we wonder what Ulya Vantur would have to say on this. Any guesses? Do let us know.
हाँ सुमित बोलो बोलो बोलो.
बहुत सुनसान हो जाता है, आप यहाँ नहीं रहती. आते रहा करो.
थैंक यू.
आप यहाँ
करूँगी ज़्यादा.
हाँ, आप यहाँ आ गई, लेकिन पूरी इंडस्ट्री वहाँ पे गई हुई आपकी, मतलब उस शहर में.
तो वो तो आपको पता है ना, मैं हमेशा उल्टा ही करती हूँ.
पर
नॉर्मल तो करती नहीं मैं. नॉर्मल इज बोरिंग.
पर कोई भी अवार्ड फंक्शन आपके बिना सुनसान ही रहता है, तो वो भी कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए.
तो उसका मैं क्या करूँ.
यहाँ आ गए ना.
मेरा बर्थडे है, मैं अपनी फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ जा रही हूँ. मेरे लिए वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था इस साल. लोगों ने वक्त नहीं बिताया है एट ऑल टुगेदर, बिकॉज हम लोग बिटवीन माई ब्रदर, माई मदर एंड मी, बॉम्बे, पूना, अमेरिका, हम लोग इतना ट्रैवल करते हैं कि हमारे पास वक्त नहीं था. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली आईफा फेल एट द सेम टाइम. तो मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ छुट्टी पे जा रही हूँ.
अच्छा प्रियंका,
वो तो अभी डिजर्व करती हूँ ना, एटलीस्ट 4-5 दिन तो.